Common errors in the use of nouns. Incorrect sentence. Sita is fond of vegetable. Wrong. Sita is fond of vegetables. Right. Ria's hair are black. Wrong. Ria's hair is black. She threw two breads before the dog. Wrong. She threw two pieces of bread before the dog. Two of my brother-in-laws are staying with me. Wrong. Two of my brothers-in-law are staying with me. These cattles. Wrong. These cattle. All the peoples. Wrong. All the people. Herds of swines. Wrong. Herds of swine. Swine hunde sur. The child learned the alphabets. No. The child learned the alphabet. Her house is full of good furnitures. No. Her house is full of good furniture. She wrote very good poetries. No. She wrote very good poetry. This is a 6 years. No, this is a 6 year. Lara has some grey hair. Lara has some grey hairs. She expressed her thank to her uncle. No, she expressed her thanks. Geeta bought 2 dozens. No, Geeta bought 2 dozen. Sher Singh ran a 3 miles. No, Sher Singh ran a 3 mile. Teachers are sitting in the staff's room. No, teachers are sitting in the staff room. She goes to her office on feet. No, on foot. One of my friend is a teacher. No, ਮੇਰੇ ਦੋਸਤਾਂ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਇੱਕ ਦੋਸਤ. One of my friends. Abha is my cousin sister. Abha is my cousin. She did not eat many bread. No, much bread. Ram ate small honey, little honey. Every man are mortal. All men. Much men are poor. Many. Little men are rich. Few men. Your uncle should take no side, neither side. Take the medicine each 4 hours, every 4 hours. What book do you like the best? Which book? Which nonsense this is? What nonsense? Buses pass my house each hour, every hour. Sita is beautiful than Radha, more beautiful. Megha is my oldest daughter, eldest. Tell me the last news, latest news. My dress is costlier than yours. Tom is wise for his age, wiser. Common errors in the use of verbs. Vegetables goes bad, go bad. Either Mohan or Sham are, is. Neither Tom nor his sister has. 70 miles is a long distance. I have finished my play last night. No, I finished my play last night. He finished his work when I met him. No, he had finished his work when I met him. Law and order is to be maintained. Can I come in? No. May I come in? What will I do next? What shall I do next? So ਅੱਜ ਕੱਲ੍ਹ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਗਲਤੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਮੰਨਿਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ will ਤੇ shall ਨੂੰ. She said her friend goodbye. She bade her friend goodbye. A snake cut her? No, a snake bit her. She laid in her bed? No, she lay in her bed. I know to play football. I know how to play football. The teacher gave a speech. The teacher made a speech. Common errors in the use of prepositions. Preposition ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਿਹੜੇ errors ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਉਹ ਇੱਥੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਦੇਖਾਂਗੇ. Manav does not obey to his father. No, Manav does not obey his father. My son does not listen to what I say. Okay. Meena was angry upon her daughter. No, Meena was angry with her daughter. He fell from the horse and injured his back. No, he fell off his horse and injured his back. Come and see me at Sunday. Come and see me on Sunday. I have known him since years. I have known him for years. I would prefer to make the journey with car. I would prefer to make the journey by car. I washed the dirt at my hands. I washed the dirt off my hands. This shirt is made with cotton. This shirt is made of cotton. We cooked food with an open fire. We cooked food over an open fire. She wore a jacket on her dress. She wore a jacket over her dress. This cloth cost rupees 50 each foot. No, this cloth cost rupees 50 per foot. They tied him with a tree. They tied him to a tree. He wore a blue shirt in his coat. He wore a blue shirt under his coat. He wanted me to write the preface of his book. He wanted me to write the preface to his book. He called me on dinner time. He called me at dinner time. I forgot to wish you at your birthday on your birthday. Common errors in the use of articles. ਹੁਣ ਅਸੀਂ articles ਵੇਲੇ ਕਿਹੜੇ common errors ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਉਹ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਹਾਂ. The dog is a faithful animal. Dog is a faithful animal. No need to write the. Rich should help the poor. The rich should. A sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. He is a MA. He is an MA. You kept me in dark. In the dark. He wanted to become teacher. A teacher. I have never been to Agra Fort. I have never been to the Agra Fort. She wants house to live in. She wants a house to live in. Do not lose the heart. Do not lose heart. She wants little sugar for tea. She wants a little sugar for tea. He is an honorable man. He is an honorable man. ਤੇ ਜੇ man ਪਿੱਛੇ ਨਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਫਿਰ ਠੀਕ ਸੀ. He is honorable. ਪਰ ਹੁਣ man ਲੱਗ ਗਿਆ ਇਸ ਕਰਕੇ he is an honorable man. Bananas are sold by dozen. No. Bananas are sold by the dozen. The singing is my hobby. No. Singing is my hobby. We were first to reach the school. We were the first to reach the school. His house caught the fire. No. His house caught fire. Next morning I had an idea. Next morning I had an idea. Tom was first to protest. Tom was the first to protest. They made him feel little better. No, a little better. He will be back in few days. No, in a few days. Few students are present in the stadium. A few students are present in the stadium. I have the headache. No, I have a headache.